A gCADPlus user who's previously used Vectorworks Landmark, wants to take a design created in Vectorworks and bring it into the gCADPlus environment. The most versatile and safer type of file from other CAD programs to work with is termed DXF. It's a drawing exchange format, and I've tried to load it. The conversion's been done, exported from Vectorworks as a drawing exchange format file, and it won't load in gCADPlus. It's a really good idea to use a free viewer that Autodesk, who are the inventors of the DXF format, provide free of charge. So I'm going to load that tool now, and we'll see whether we can in fact load it and check it. But there could well be some problems with the file. The conversion may not have gone well. The application that Autodesk have provided us with is DWG True View. So I'm going to open a plan that came from Vectorworks, and we've saved it in that DXF format, and we open it and immediately see some warnings. There are external references attached to it. Autodesk uses a system of linking other drawings to a master drawing, if you like, and they're called external references. gCADPlus doesn't use it. If we need to bring in external information, we bring that in as a block in the environment. But at this point, we'll have to ignore that. Well, at this point, I'm going to switch to another free tool that's called the Open Design Alliance, or ODA file converter. And I'm saying I'm going to put the file in a desktop VW, and the output will be in C-column temp out. Notice this little button. We're going to audit the file now, and I'm going to turn it back into a 2004 DXF file. So I'll start. That conversion is now done. So if we go to the temp folder and the out folder, we should find a DXF file. So let's start gCADPlus, and we're going to start a brand new drawing, and we're going to use File and DXF Tools, DXF In, and we need to browse to the C folder and to temp and to the output folder, and we should have one called Garden Plan, and we can open it and have a little look at the model. That's cleaned things up pretty nicely. There are all sorts of bits and pieces here. They're blocks, a big pile of attributes sitting here. So the conversion has not gone well. That's another attribute. gCADPlus has the ability to load these attributes that are used, so but we can't make any sense of them. But this is just a line sitting there. This should be an image file. Okay, so we're missing, of course, an image file. So the original drawing might well have loaded earlier on if we'd had that image file, but what we can now do is clean things up. So the request is to be able to use this as a base plan for new work. It's an existing tree, and there's a little label there, E01. So the designer knows this site, so we now at least have a base plan. So I think you can conclude from all of this work that there is a lot of difficulty in exchanging material with Vectorworks. Just have to be very careful and use these tools, but using Autodesk's True View first up at least gives you a clue that there are some missing components, and this one certainly missed a big image file.